Hello friends, I am Dr. R. B. Solanki, Vasantharao Naik Art Science and Commerce College, Shahada, Department of Chemistry. Friends, this is our third lecture on chemical kinetics and total fifth lecture on physical chemistry. So now, in last lecture we have derived the integrated rate equation for first order reaction, and previous that we have derived the equation for zero order reaction. Now here we have to derive the integrated rate equation for second order reaction. So first we must know the definition of second order reaction. So the reaction in which sum of power of reactant concentration term is 2 in the rate equation is known as second order reaction. Now there are two cases for this we have to discuss separately. Case number 1 is referred to equal initial concentration of reactant, that is 2A gives product or 2B gives product, and case second is reference to two reactants unequal initial concentration, that is A plus B gives product. So this is for unequal initial concentration, this is for equal initial concentration. So there are two cases for this second order reaction. So we must have discussed one by one. So now here we are going to discuss case number first with equal initial concentration. So for this, consider the reaction 2A gives product. Hence here the rate equation written as minus ddt of Ca is equal to K2 into Ca square, call it equation number 1, where K2 is the rate constant of second order reaction and Ca is the initial concentration of the reactant. Now rate constant for second order reaction is K2 and Ca is the concentration of reactant A. If small a be the initial concentration of the reactant A, and if x moles of reactant A are reacted in time t, so in time t x moles are reacted, then the concentration remaining unreacted after time t is A minus x. So now here we have to write Ca is equal to A minus x. Ca is the concentration at time t. Now putting this value of Ca in equation 1, Ca is equal to A minus x. So put here minus ddt of Ca is equal to minus ddt of A minus x, that is equal to dx by dt. So by simplifying ddt of A minus x negative, we get dx by dt, that is equal to K2 into A minus x bracket square. So now separating variables, we will get dx upon A minus x is equal to K2 dt, call it equation number 2. So now we have to derive the equation for rate constant of second order reaction with equal initial concentration. So integrating equation number 2 between the proper limits for x is equal to 0 to x and t is equal to 0 to t. So this is the definite integral. Here we have to derive the equation. So right here integral 0 to x dx upon A minus x bracket square is equal to 0 to t integral K2 dt, that is equal to K2 is constant, taking outside of the integral notation we have K2 0 to 2 dt, where K2 is rate constant for second order reaction and A minus x is the concentration remaining after time t. So by simplifying this integral equation, so here dx upon A minus x square is equal to here 1 minus A x, 1 upon A minus x, 0 to x, that is equal to K2 dt, here dt t, 0 to t. So now these are the integration formulae from which we are taking these two terms. Now applying limits. So applying limits, upper limit minus lower limit. So first applying upper limit, we will get 1 upon a minus x minus x is equal to 0. So we will get minus 1 upon a, that is equal to k2 t. So simplifying this equation, we will get 1 minus a minus a, 1 upon a minus x minus 1 upon a is equal to x upon a into a minus x. So therefore k2 is equal to x upon a into a minus x. Therefore k2 is equal to 1 upon at a x upon a minus x, equation number 3. So this equation number 3, where k2 is the rate constant for second order reaction, and we have the unit for k2, that is for second order reaction. The unit of k2, that is the velocity constant, is concentration inverse time inverse. So concentration is moles per liter and time in second. Therefore we can write moles per liter per second or liter per mole per second. So in this way we have derived this equation for rate constant of second order reaction for equal initial concentrations. Now friends, consider the second case for derivation of integral of rate equation for second order reaction, that is the unequal initial concentration, that is A is not equal to B. So here we have to consider the reaction A plus B gives product on equation number 1. For unequal initial concentration of reactant, A is not equal to B. Therefore rate equation for this reaction is minus ddt of Ca, that is equal to minus ddt of Cb, that is equal to K2 into Ca into Cb. So here 1 plus 1, that is the second order reaction, where K2 is the rate constant of second order reaction. Now if small a and small b are the initial concentration of the reactants A and B, then if x moles of reactants both A and B are reacted in time t, then the A minus x and B minus x are the remaining unreacted concentration of reactants A and B respectively. Now putting these values, Ca is equal to A minus x and Cb is equal to B minus x in equation number 2, we will get minus ddt of A minus x is equal to minus ddt of B minus x, that is equal to dx by dt. So simplifying these both, we get dx by dt, that is equal to K2 into Ca and Cb, we can write A minus x and B minus x. Now rearranging this equation, we get dx upon A minus x into B minus x is equal to K2 dt, call it equation number 3. Now integrating equation number 3 between proper limits, and for limits we have x is equal to 0 to x and t is equal to 0 to t. So now integrating this equation, we have integral 0 to x dx upon A minus x into B minus x, that is equal to 0 to t K2 dt, that is equal to K2 constant of integration, it is constant, so taking outside of the integral form we have K2 0 to t dt, call it equation number 4. By integrating this equation 4 between proper limits, we get the final equation K2 is equal to 1 upon A minus B into t ln of B into A minus x divided by A into B minus x, call it equation number 5. Now changing the base, we have this equation K2 is equal to 2.303 A minus B t log of B into A minus x divided by A into B minus x, call it equation number 6. So this equation number 6 is the equation for rate constant of second order reaction for the unequal initial concentration of the reactants A and B.